Hi, I hope you had a marvelous Thanksgiving. It's here. The holiday hoopla has begun, and I'm curious, what does your mindfulness toolbox look like, and what do you have in there to stay calm in this busy, busy month? Everybody has a mindfulness toolbox. Some people just have a few tools, such as taking a deep breath when they're upset. You probably have more things than that lying in that top tray that you pull out. And then in the bottom, you probably have a bunch of cool, dusty techniques that you've just forgotten about, or maybe you don't remember how to use them or when to use them. I have a whole bunch of things in mind. I have techniques and breaths and strategies that I use multiple times a day. I use them so often that it doesn't even make sense to put them away. And then I have my top tray of things that I use frequently, but not every single day, like the mini vacay. I use it a lot, but I don't need it all the time. And I have a breath that I love that I call noticing the pause, and it falls into that category too. Used often, but not every day. Now, since I teach mindfulness, I am constantly rooting around in the bottom of the toolbox for things I have in there that I might not use for myself, but might help you. I love pulling them out and dusting them off and sharing them. Some are extra useful with kids. Some might just be fine-tuned versions of what you already know. I'm frequently astonished what I find in there. So I'm really excited to tell you about the Wise Mindfulness Toolbox membership as a way for you, parents and teachers, to keep adding tools to bring more joy and less frustration to your life. The goal of the membership is to help you have the foresight to use mindfulness in chaotic moments, to let you give up the worry about whether or not you're doing it right, to teach you more techniques and applications. When you join, you'll begin filling and organizing your mindfulness toolbox. You keep adding techniques as you learn, and you build your mindfulness repertoire in a warm and fun environment. You'll fine-tune your ability to find the right tool for the job. And I'll help you keep finding ways to just integrate mindfulness into your day-to-day life. I know that you'll begin to tap into your inner wisdom and have more balance and clarity in your wildly busy life. And I know that that's what you're longing for. The Wise Mindfulness membership will include a monthly Saturday morning workshop on Zoom, weekly evening check-ins as an opportunity to share your wins and ask questions as you grow to become more mindful. There'll be giveaways and guest teachers to share their wisdom with us, and I'll be right there to help you create a more mindfulness life. I'm always learning too, and I promise that as I learn about new research, learn new techniques, I will share them with you, as well as give you tricks as to how to incorporate them into your world. Registration begins Monday, November 29th. I've intentionally kept the price affordable so you can get all of this for only $22 a month or $220 a year. The link to register is in the video and podcast description. The first workshop is Saturday, December 4th. The theme this month is maintaining your calm, as I know you need this month. I hope you can join me. I can hardly wait to get started. And of course, if you're unsatisfied, your money will be refunded full in the first 30 days. After that, you can cancel your membership subscription anytime, no questions asked. So, have a wonderful December, please, and take a breath, breathe out, and may this year's holiday hoopla bring you more joy than frustration. Mwah.